Lost and alone, this buffalo calf had no hope, but then something unbelievable happened. In 2005, at South Africa's Tula Tula Reserve, a young buffalo calf was spotted alone, and likely orphaned. It was then that he bumped into a wild elephant herd. Out on the savannah, the two animals are competitors, and normally, elephants are wary of buffaloes, sometimes even aggressive towards them. But instead of rejecting him, they adopted the calf and treated him like one of their own, something unheard of in the animal kingdom. They allowed him to eat, sleep, and travel with them, and the older females were even seen protecting him like one of their own calves.